大家好，我係 Agent 蘇。
我係 Agent 葉。
而家我哋一個重要嘅任務需要立即完成，我哋就邀請大家加入實驗局，幫助我哋去解決史達科技即將面對嘅威脅。我相信大家只要團結一致，就可以保護你同你身邊嘅人。大家準備好未？好。電腦啟動生物驗證。
開啟檔案，力決。
大家請細心留意以下落嚟嘅任務簡報。
Okay, listen up, heroes. Stark Expo needs you. We have retrieved these broken pieces of evidence from a classified event. We brought the pieces back here, and the next step is to put them back together. Good luck, everyone. Over and out.
Thank you, Iron Man。我哋而家想邀請4位特工去解決眼前嘅呢一個謎題。我相信大家都應該認識唔同嘅超級英雄。我想問下你哋識唔識做一件超級英雄嘅姿勢咧？不如我哋就喺3隻之後嘅3、2、1。你覺得佢哋邊力？
我相信你係想做 Iron Man 嘅姿勢。Iron Man 應該係由兩隻手兩邊再做多次，俾啲位勢 very good。呢位應該係 Spider-Man。好好，呢度可以俾多啲力量。Good。我估係 Blackwood，你覺得？我覺得應該要問下佢。請問呢個係 Captain？ 哦，呢個蠢嚟嘅，講咗。我知道啦 ，Doctor Strange。邀請你哋4位。
好，你哋可以分別企喺4個角落。
Oh yeah, let's go. Woo！ 可唔可以唔好吝嗇你哋嘅掌聲啊？如果要俾掌聲，我覺得，好啦。
接落嚟，你哋揾得到其中一個組件，你哋需要喺限時入面將佢砌成一個正立方體。你哋要記住，小心保護呢啲組件，千祈唔好將佢放喺地下上面，明唔明白？好，你哋將會有2分鐘嘅時間。而家你哋先攞咗其中一個組件先。接住落嚟咧，係需要一個一個咁樣將佢放喺呢一個平台上。Are you ready?
Okay, I can't hear you guys. Are you ready?
Yes.
And are you guys ready to support? Yeah! Done. Let mission start.
好，我哋不如邀請你擺先啦。我盡量將一啲我可以俾大家見到嘅。係啦，呢個好似一個唔錯嘅位置。好，跟住不如就到你啊。咁我哋盡量諗個辦法，可以將呢啲更加多人見到嘅。
All the symbols should be facing front. Everybody can see. Might be the right way.
呢一面大家好似就見唔到咯。喺呢度，係。
快啲！你哋需要同大家溝通同埋合作嘅。The key for this mission is to communicate. And a teamwork, of course.
好，我哋跟住之後交俾你啊，試下。
Remember, The whole evidence is gonna go into a
咁樣
good。
嘅話
呢個將會成為一個正立方體嘅。
試下，佢話其他地方除咗呢個
1 minute。
加油！加油！加油！
marks on the outside. Stand up. Yeah.
俾啲信心。
哦。
呢個正方體嘅話，會唔會有其他方法咧？
哦。
而家呢個位置係咪見唔到任何特別嘅？好，不如試下，咁將佢轉一轉，你要試下再轉一轉。
Rotate that. Try to make sure all the writings or all the markings are facing
There's a
you.
picture on the bottom.
Any more ideas?
我覺得可能呢一個都可以試下唔同嘅方位，例如咁樣。
Okay.
呢一個。
Yes.
大家有冇覺得呢一啲圖案有啲熟悉？我覺得有機會同萬達格山嘅事件有關。大家感唔感受到佢嘅魔法力量？不如我哋首先向前企一步，又要保持警覺。我覺得呢一啲有啲似梵文，你哋有冇人學過梵文啊？
Anybody knows any Sanskrit? Anybody?
Just
Yes.
yeah.
Yes, please.
That looks like ancient. Sorry, I only know modern Sanskrit. That looks like ancient Sanskrit. Sorry.
Okay. Let's double confirm with the computer.
Yeah, sorry.
唔緊要，我哋可以交翻俾我哋嘅電腦，電腦進行密碼分析。 大家小心，我哋可以企喺呢度轉先，係啊，唔需要擔心嘅，我哋會保護好大家。電腦破解密碼。電腦進行翻譯。準備中嘅。
Careful, Scarlet Strike. 我就知道係咁。呢一次嘅事件係同紅女巫有關嘅，但係大家唔使擔心，憑住你哋嘅勇氣同埋力量，加埋我哋跟住落嚟嘅訓練，你哋一定可以應付得到。跟住落嚟會教大家幾個秘術嘅動作，大家可以一齊跟住我做。我哋邀請你哋，不如照樣兩位喺呢度，兩位喺呢度，我哋一齊教你哋一啲秘術嘅動作。好，大家可以望住我。 首先第一個動作就係要尋找你心中嘅平靜 ，find your inner peace。首先一開始嘅動作就係放鬆你嘅腳，隻手擺喺你嘅心口 ，good。然後打開，吸氣，呼氣，將翻你嘅手以一個交叉嘅姿勢擺喺心口 ，yes，just slightly in front of chest， well done。OK， 我哋再做多次，隻手擺喺呢度，打開，吸氣。 呼氣 ，good， well done。呢個就係第一個嘅秘術動作。第二個嘅秘術動作，我哋一齊做，就係咁樣。首先你嘅手，我哋一齊都係放鬆嘅狀態。OK，cross， 拉落嚟，哈。呢個就係一個防禦嘅動作。如果你遇到有任何嘅魔法攻擊嘅話，呢個就係我哋嘅防禦動作。我哋再嚟多次 ，OK。首先我哋一開始。 隻手咁，我哋再做多個動作，咁樣手拍埋，向前拉，再向後 ，good，well done。仲有第三個秘術動作，大家可以一齊做嘅，就 last but not least。仲有最後一個動作就係隻手拍埋，右手喺上面 ，up down，around 兩個圈 ，and together 向後拉，然之後有一個逆時針嘅動作。OK， 我哋再做多次 ，let's do it again。 再嚟一次手，咁樣。All right, well done. I can see a lot of clapping here. Well done. Good. Okay, we go up, down, around, and together. Good. Round of applause. 冇錯。
既然大家都做得咁好嘅話，不如我哋將佢所有動作串連埋一齊，再做一次。
冇錯，我哋一次過將3個動作做埋一齊。你哋都可以 join 我哋嘅。Everybody can join us. We are going to add all 3 mudra together. Okay? Are you guys ready?
我覺得好似未準備好喎。
Are you guys ready? Yes. Great. And you are ready? Yes.
Yeah.
Right, okay. Let's do it together. All right? Let's go.
Hi everyone.
Hello.
Alright, it's good to see you all. I see there's a training in progress.
Yes, we are. We are doing
Alright.
some mudra training.
Oh, can I see what you've done? Have you
Yes.
started your training yet?
Yeah, we have just started. 我哋一齊 show 俾我哋嘅 Captain Marvel 睇下我哋有啲咩。OK， 我哋一齊開始。我哋第一個動作係 good good good。OK， 打開。This is our first mudra to find your inner peace。第二個動作。打開。咁樣。Well done. And this is a defensive mudra.
Alright, you got more.
We got one more.
Alright.
3個動作。Well done. Another clap. Well done. Up, down, around, and together.
Alright, good.
Good. Well done. Well done.
I was pretty impressive, so I'm guessing you're all training doing Yes, you all want to do this one day?
Yes.
Alright, that's awesome. Have you all got a favorite eventer? Alright, can I see your best pose? Alright, your strongest superhero pose.
揀一個你最中意喺 Avengers 入邊最中意嘅超級英雄，可以擺一個佢嘅 pose，
The Iron Man.
可以擺翻你哋頭先擺個。Okay, she have got a new
Alright,
favorite.
she's been practicing her training. Yeah. Spider-Man. Alright, these are pretty strong. Doctor Strange, yeah, they're really taking in their training there.
Yes, they are really taking in the training.
That's awesome. So I guess everyone here has a superpower. Is anyone here super strong?
有冇人特別強壯？
可以試下
可以展示一
試
下你嘅肌肉。
Alright, you are a little bit shy.
He is
I'm sure
extra
you're
strong, I can tell.
Yeah?
Yes.
Well, maybe one of you super fast. Can I see how fast you can run?
跑得特別快
有冇人
嘅。
跑得特別快啊？
Pretty good.
Him and me and me and me.
Yeah, and you.
Thank
Obviously,
you.
Agent, obviously, yes. Well, everyone, let's get in and we can get a picture together. You all get your best, strongest pose. You want to come in two agents?
睇出你最強嘅 pose，我哋一齊影張相。Good, well done.
Thanks for asking what you about your suit, yes? Yes, carry on your training. Great job, everyone. It was good to see you, agents.
See you next mission.
I've got a mission to get to, but I'll see you all around. All right?
Thank you. See you next mission. Well done. Round of applause for Captain Marvel. 大家頭先都聽到啦，我哋嘅任務咧，不過係永遠都唔會完結嘅。大家要時刻咁記住自己嘅所有嘅 training，因為佢哋隨時會用得着嘅。記住，你哋要永遠領先敵人一步。
史德先生好似有啲嘢想同大家講。
嚟睇下，史特先生。
Okay, good job, heroes. You know, I knew you could do it. If anything else comes up, I just might give you a call. Stay safe out there. Iron Man out.
Thank you, Iron Man.
Okay, thank you, Iron Man. 我再同大家講多次，大家跟住落嚟可能會受到一啲所有嘅威脅，但係唔緊要，大家記得我哋教到你嘅所有嘢，佢將會係用得着。
我哋而家要將呢一個組送翻去總部，進行進一步嘅驗證。
我哋下一個任務再見。